Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying something a little different. I know this trend was a thing a while ago and I'm very late to the game, but I wanted to kind of do this look anyway. And I don't know, I just thought it'd be a fun video to do since I'm trying to get back into the swing of things with making videos again, even though I do have like 100,000 pre-filmed videos that I need to edit and get out. We're filming another one. But yeah, as it says in the title, I'm going to be following along with an Adore Delano makeup tutorial. I absolutely love Adore. Like literally Adore is like is my aesthetic. That grunge, punk, rock, trash aesthetic is me, and I relate deeply to that. So yeah, I just absolutely love Adore and wanted to kind of copy this makeup tutorial anyway. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so I hope this all goes alright. I've never done this before, so I don't know. So, Adore Delano makeup. I have seen this tutorial once before, because like I obviously did watch it. That's kind of how I wanted to do the look, because I saw the tutorial, but I haven't like watched it since then. So we're just going to try follow along with this. And also I don't have contacts in today, because I didn't want to put contact lenses in just to do a tutorial, then take my makeup off and not have, you know, contacts in. So we're going in blind. Okay, so let's go with the tutorial.
I like to change the looks up even though I wear trash. But yeah,
same.
Let's get into this makeup look. So first things first, I'll eat your brains. No, I start off with a KRYOLAN foundation.
I have KRYOLAN.
Their paint stick.
I have paint stick.
The color 4W. That's my exact color.
Okay, so I use the same thing. I got a TV paint stick and I am in the color NB1. So that's what I'm going to be using.
So basically I just rub that all over my face, like this.
Okay, that's basically what I do anyway, so we're just gonna...
Don't be shy, girl.
Is that it?
So I got my beauty blenders nice and damp to go to work, motherfucker.
And yeah, I'm just blending it with a beauty blender. Okay. The worst lighting right now as well. As you can see, like the window's there, but the natural light isn't hitting me. So I've got another light up here, but it's an orange light and it's terrible. I might see if I can turn my... Okay, that's better, but if you hear like a low-pitched buzzing, I want to apologize. It's just the sound that the light makes for some reason, but that's making it a bit better for me to see. And because I'm blind, I can't see very well anyway, so we need all that light.
And now that we got all that blended out, we're going to go in with
Does she not...
favorite big brush. Okay, so go in with...
concealer? She's powdering.
You can use this. I use Ben Nye. I'm almost out because I've been using it for years.
We're not even concealing, we're just TV paint sticking and powdering. Okay, Adore. I know we're going with the trash aesthetic, but at least concealer, please. Okay, I'm just using, I do have a like proper translucent powder thingy somewhere, but I don't know where it is, and this is the first one I grabbed. So this is just an Essence All About Matte compact powder. It's just a translucent like compact powder instead of like a loose powder. So I feel like this will do. Adore uses the Ben Nye one, which I do want to get, but I don't have it at the moment, so let's just see. Just patting it on by the looks. Okay. I'm still really offended that there has been no concealer, like... These bags under my eyes aren't going to hide themselves. And same with these pimples on my chin. Okay. Next.
Okay, let's do the brows. So I
brows.
have black as eyebrows.
black eyebrows in like years. I don't even think I have a black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna have to go in. Bless you. Don't know why I just said bless you, but
I do really dark eyebrows.
Okay.
Even if I'm wearing like blonde hair. I mean, the girls used to make fun of me and say carbon brows. Yeah, whatever. So get spit in your favorite black eyeshadow. I'm using.
I have to spit on my brush.
Just go straight in with the brush. Who cares?
Okay. If I get a disease, I'm suing. And then we're going in black. Oh, Jesus Christ, help me. Oh God. Oh my God, I hate it. I'm gonna try shape them slightly more, so they look a bit more similar. But mine are a lot more curved anyway, whereas Ador's are more flat. Oh my God, I hate this. I also feel like this doesn't really help because, like I have mentioned a few times already, I am blind. I cannot see. Like, I can see a bit, but not all that well. So I feel like going in straight up with like black eyebrows. Oh my God. Oh, I feel like that girl in like high school that Sharpies in her eyebrows. Well, you know that like one girl that everybody knows who Sharpies in her eyebrows?
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm gonna cry. Get me a brush to brush this out. Now. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. But I'm gonna have a panic attack. I can't do this. Where is my concealer? We're cutting in. Ugh, I can't do this. I quit.
So I'm gonna move on, and we're going to go.
Okay, we're doing eyes.
With the eyeballs. This look, I'm going for that heroin chic Brody Dale.
Heroin chic makeup is my thing, so.
Kind of like. So today's palette that I'm gonna be using to achieve this look is the Sugar Pill palette.
I don't have a Sugar Pill palette.
Jack gave me in bright.
I want to get one though, but I don't have one, so now we're going to
with the orange, yellow, purple.
go in with what I have. I feel like you can really kind of do this look with any palette, because
sometimes I do my contour before I do my brows. Sometimes I do my brows before I do my contour. Sometimes I don't even.
We better be contouring, I swear to God.
And I'm gonna get the orange.
Okay, well I don't have a. It's okay, boo. Okay, I don't have an orange like that. I'm just going in with what I have. But I do this kind of look in general anyway, so I know how to achieve.
Like Edward Scissorhands.
Oh my God, it was.
Then you blend and blend and blend. Blending is the secret. Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's gone all over the lid with it as well. Maybe I should invest in an orange eyeshadow from Sugar Pill. I swear I have an orange somewhere. I do want to get a Sugar Pill, like I want to get the little mini pro palette or maybe the big one, I don't know. And I want to get some colours. If anyone has Sugar Pill eyeshadows, what are some good ones to get? I definitely want to get Taco, which is the white. I want to get Dolly Pop, which is the pink. I want to get probably Kimchi and Midori as well, but I want some other colours. Probably some browns because I normally do pretty neutral eyes. One thing that I've noticed with this as well, like normally when I do this kind of like grunge heroin chic makeup, I don't do it quite as bright. Adore seems to be going in with very bright oranges and stuff like that, which I don't normally do. I'm normally go in with very deep colours to get it, which is why I don't have bright oranges and stuff, but you know, we're going to achieve the same look. I've seen photos of this look that she's worn before, so I know it does turn out pretty dark anyway, so. Okay, I feel like that's enough of the oranges.
Then with a different brush or the same brush, go in with the
different brushes, we're doing the same brush, bitch.
I'm only using these colors because I like how they look on my skin tone, but everybody's skin is different.
So red.
Find colors that are in these families that work with your
Again,
skin
mine are
tone,
deeper because
just, you know,
I don't really
this
use
one.
bright.
And I'm gonna get that red color,
So I'm gonna.
and I'm gonna put her
Where are we going?
on the outer lid on this side, pat it, and then I'm gonna take her in
On a
a bit.
third
But I really do go in with
and blend in. Okay. Okay. Now that we look like we've been pepper sprayed.
I even kind of contour my nose.
Oh god, we're contouring our nose with the red.
Not fully contour it, but like
Oh Jesus.
very 80s trick.
Maybe I need to step up my trash game, like just slightly contour. Lord help me. I've done this before with like a rose gold eye look I did, inspired by Glam and Gore, like Mikey. When you blend it in the nose slightly. We haven't done any contouring.
So this is a Sephora liner and fucking, I don't know, it's like black.
Okay, we need eyeliner. Tight lining, I think. So put it in your ball and then rub back and forth. So I'm assuming you mean eyeball and rub.
Go in with a brush.
Now we're getting a brush and smudging. Okay.
Now go in with that same brush, why not, girl, fuck the world. And just go along and blend.
So eyeshadow and blend it into the
blend into that eyeshadow.
top, okay. Okay,
I can use Jeffree's Confession for this actually. Because it's
Jeffree's
beautiful.
Confession, okay, I have that.
And
What are we doing with it?
With that, watch.
Putting it all over, basically. Jeffree's Confession.
Like going with Sculpt from MAC.
Okay, we're contouring, thank God. We play it. Do we do our nose? Please say we contour our nose. Okay, we are, thank God. But with our finger.
I'm gonna be using Maybelline.
Maybelline, I don't use
New York
Maybelline.
Lash.
So I'm going in with an
Lashes
Essence
Full
one.
Fan Effect. Get your pickle and bite
I wish
it.
I had a pickle.
And then open your bear.
And a beer. I don't drink beer, I'm more of a cider girl, but still. Lashes.
One down, one to go.
Okay, babe's just like put lashes on. She's like, you're gonna do lashes, and then like next minute, here, my lashes are on. Okay, she doesn't say what lashes she uses, so I'm just using a pair that I've stacked. These are the Dodo lashes in D001 mixed with just a lashes from eBay. And I haven't plugged it in a while, but if you want to buy a pair of Dodo lashes, they are super cheap, like, and affordable lashes. They're only like $5, and you can also use the code Louise cosplay and you will get a discount on your order at checkout. So go check them out. I'll link them below. I'm pretty sure I always have them linked, but still. What eye does this go on? I'm assuming this eye. Let's go. I'm gonna like cut out for a minute because I can't see. They're nowhere near tacky enough. Okay, so I'm going to cut off and do my lashes off camera because I have to get close to the screen because I cannot see, like, close to my mirror, so BRB.
Now
Okay, we have lashes.
Highlighter.
Let's get back into this. Okay, highlight. I don't have Jeffree Star's Peach Goddess, but I do recently. I just, like, literally just got it a couple of days ago. I do have Jeffree Star's Princess Cut.
And I'm going to start out with Celebrity Skin from Jeffree Star.
Okay, we're getting a couple of different lips. What are we doing?
Done. With this.
I'm gonna see what lips
She looks something like this.
she does,
Similar.
and then pick what one I like out of
I'm all
them.
done now,
So we're
but
gonna
play with
nude.
different shades, so let's do it. We're gonna
Fucking
dive
lip goals,
into
man.
The signature adore. The cherry lip
Donate to my coffee so I
with
can get
the
some
ruby.
lip
Woo!
fillers. What are we doing? We're doing a red lip. So red nude.
So here's the red. You can add like a NYX.
We are gonna
toast in it
overline
or
the
something
hell out of mine.
brownish to kind of warm it up.
Oh, we're going dark.
This is Antique Velvet by MAC.
You know what, I'm gonna do nude. I'm going to use my nude lip. I literally have lipsticks everywhere. Oh my god. You can't see me anymore. Okay, so I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Natural, and we are going to overline the hell out of my lips, because Adore's lips are actual goals. Let me go back so I can stare at them lips, because yes. I overline my lips a fair bit anyway, but I feel like for this I'm really gonna go at it. As you can probably see. And then I'm going to go mixing with the Essence Matte 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 Long Lasting Lip Gloss in O2 Beauty Approved, and the Australis Full Lip Cream in Paris. So I'm going to do like a mix of these two. I'm going to put the Essence one down first. And now I'm going to go in with this one and just lighten it. And that's it. Okay, I might chuck a wig on and then we'll see how it goes. I feel like my top's too dark. Too sex. There we go. This is my finished Adore Delano inspired makeup look. I actually really like it. I do this kind of eye and lip combo anyway, like sometimes. But obviously not this dramatic as far as like lips go, and especially eyebrows. I don't like these kind of eyebrows on me personally. They are so dark. I feel like they're too harsh in my face, and just yeah. But this is the look. I actually really like it, and I really want my lips to be this big now. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I'm hopefully going to be getting better with my uploading schedule as well. I don't know if I want to continue doing weekly videos or fortnightly videos. Let me know your thoughts, please. I did skip last week because I did have a convention, so I was more focused on just getting ready for the con and everything, and I didn't edit a video in time. But you got one this week, obviously. But let me know if you'd prefer weekly videos or fortnightly videos. And I'll do whatever you guys like. But yeah, that is all for this video. If you'd like to see me follow along more people's makeup tutorials, let me know. I definitely want to try out Trixie Mattel's. I really originally wanted to do hers, but I'm waiting for products to come so I can probably do that for my cosplay as well. But if you'd like me to follow Trixie's makeup, let me know. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.